Hello viewers, welcome to KC Sharp where we turn drafting skills into income. In today's tutorial or today's topic or section, we all are going to look into how to scale objects with reference. In our previous discussion, we learned how to scale objects in AutoCAD, while today's section we are going to look into scaling objects with reference. So without wasting much time, I will let us know and also understand one thing. If you have ever imported a drawing into AutoCAD and discover the size is completely wrong, this is exactly what we are going to do at the end of this tutorial. Most beginners try to guess the scale factor, but that usually gives the wrong result. Reason is because we will import a drawing and you will find it a little bit difficult to scale or to use a particular scale factor which we will use that will fit in what we are looking for. So I'm going to let us know that in this tutorial, at the end of this video, I will show you a powerful method called scaled by reference that fix drawing sizes accurately in a second. So this is what we are going to do now. However, I am also going to let us know how reference option works and how we can use the option in a project. As you can see, there is a simple room and a bed in it. This is a simple room, for example, and this is exactly what we are going to use to achieve what we all are talking about today. So this is a simple room and also a simple or a single bed in it. So for instance, I will say I want this particular bed to reach at the wall. This bed now, I want this bed now to reach at this wall, which is the end of the wall. So what I'm going to do is to activate the scale command and select the bed and then key in or press enter. So what I will need to do now is I will come down to the modify panel of this home ribbon, which here is the modify panel and here is the scale. I will activate this scale. Me activating it means I'm clicking on it. I'll just go ahead and click on it. Then it's telling you to select the object which you want to scale. I will now go ahead and click on this bed and say enter. Type in enter or click enter. Now it's telling you to specify the base point. This base point means where do you want to start scaling your drop from. You can start from up, you can start from here, you can start from here, you can equally start from here. So I'm going to start from the end point. So I will go ahead and click on this end point. Me clicking on this end point is now telling you to specify scale factor. Now if you should come down here, this command box, we see two options that is showing us, which is copy and reference. Just go ahead and click on this reference. Now after clicking on the reference, it's telling you to specify the reference length. So what you need to do is to click on the end point and it's also telling you to specify the second point. So just click on this particular one, which is the up one. Now if you see, if I move my cursor up, the bed is increasing. If I go up, the bed is increasing. So the next thing that you need to do here now is you have to work with an intersection. You come down here, see where my arrow is pointing, snap cursor, you click on it and make sure that your intersection is on. Now if you check, my intersection is on. But if I should click on this particular good that we all are seeing here now, I will automatically off it. But since it's on, I will go down, I will come back here and drag my bed towards this side. Now we are going to see, we are seeing an asterisk sign that is showing you the end of the wall. So what you need to do, just go ahead and click on it. Now if you check very well, I was able to scale this bed so that it reaches at the end of the wall, which is my exact target. So this is how you can make use of reference in AutoCAD. I have achieved this, I have done this, and is well. I'm okay with this particular one. Now let's move into another example. Let's make use of another example on how you can resize your work when you have already imported it from another. So what you need to do is to come down here. For instance, this is another example we all are going to make use of now. So in this particular object that we all are seeing here is 2485.09 mm. So let's say I want to reduce this particular object. What I need to do is to go back that scale button, click on it or activate it. Now we are going to select the object which you want to reduce from, or you want to reduce. You go ahead and click on this object, click enter. Now it's telling you to specify a base point. Like I said earlier in the other example, you can use or you can choose any base point of your choice. You can choose from up or you can equally choose from down. So I'm going to choose from this endpoint. So I will click on it. Now I come down here again, you will see copy and reference. Just go ahead and click on reference. Now it's also telling you to specify reference length. So I'm going to come here, click here, then I'll also click here. Now me clicking here now is now telling you to reduce to specify the new length which you want to. Now if I don't want to reduce it by dragging it down, I can type in the scale factor which I want to use. Now since we are seeing 2485 here, I am going to reduce it to 2010. So I'll go ahead and type 2010. Now I've typed this thing. Now as you can see, the length is longer. Now if I should click enter, I'm automatically reducing this particular object. So I will go ahead and click enter. Now as you can see, we have reduced the initial diameter of the object, which was 2480 something thereabout, to 2010. So this is how you can resize your drawing or your imported work which you have already imported into your drawing without wasting much time and without redrawing it. This is the two method which you can use to achieve what we all are talking about. So if you are coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like, share and subscribe. I post practical tutorial every week. Thank you and see you next. Bye.